Well, this is cool. Alright. You never know how long you're going to be out until you're out. So over here in Ellensburg, and we're just going to take a trip up the Nastash Ridge. Yeah, test out the bike a little more. Now that I got oil changed after 100 miles, it feels real smooth. I got new mirrors. What are they called? I don't even know what they're called. And I got a bar pad for the hell of it. So we're basically going the highest point you can see up there. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. Now to have some fun? Yep. Whoops. I don't have good front end traction, that's for sure. Well, here we are at the top now. Gotta get one of those screen grabs. Yeah, let's see where this goes. So just go to here? I kind of don't want to go down this way, but this seems like a cool fucking trail. Let's just go back up and... Oh, that was kind of fun. I tell you, motorcycles the way to travel back here. I've driven my Brat on this road and it sucks. You gotta go like 2 miles an hour, otherwise you rattle your teeth out. But this is nice, and you go faster and it's more fun and everything. But if you screw up in this, it hurts. Screw up in the Brat, it hurts your emotion, I guess. There's a faint hint of a single track going that way. And this little deviant, let's follow that. No wire, no wire, no wire. Okay, good. See, now there's something that goes up there. There's a faint line that goes that way over the bob wire. Fuck. Huh. We'll try this way. Real faint, but it's there. Huh. I mean, there's, like, you can follow the side of that, but getting out of this and all that stuff looks like it might be a little bit of a pain. I'm alone. It'd be different if I was with people. Let's go back. We'll see where this goes. Huh. Well, this is cool. Hey, finally went down. Down again. Damn, my front end is loose. Hey, well, that's fun. Oh, that's cool. I found a track out in the middle of the desert. I don't know how to ride motocross, so yeah. That's why I crash a lot. Let's try this hill climb, eh? Second gear. Fucking Bronco. Keep the damn feet on. There you go. I'll let my feet get away from me. Nice little yokes. I don't even know about any of this. Boom. And she's down. But she's okay. Oh. Cows and shit over there. This bike has pretty good amount of power and almost made it. Before I put the 351 in, guarantee I wouldn't even been able to do nothing. decently steep. Probably doesn't look so on the camera, but yeah. And then there's the city of Ellensburg. And yeah, I think we're gonna call it a day. Nels should be done with work. I'm gonna go hang out and take a shower. It's just hot. Ah, that bike sounds good. Now, if I knew what I was doing, I'd get over that, but I don't. Or do I? I do not. I would try, but I also would not. I could get over it. Not the way you're supposed to do it.
Bye.